Okay then, year 5. Welcome back. Bus stop method again, lesson 22. So carrying on from yesterday, but today's lesson, you're going to work with and without remainders. So we've got two examples here, one without a remainder, one with. So you can see I've already set it out underneath. 238 divided by 7. So just to recap this bus stop method, the first thing I need to do is ask myself how many 7s go into the number 2. It's none, isn't it? I can't take out any groups of 7 if I've only got 2. But that 2 now goes in front of the 3 to get 23. How many 7s can I take out of 23? So I can take out 3 7s because that's 21. And I'm left with 2, which carries across in front of the 8. How many 7s go into 28? 7, 14, 21, 28 is 4. So 238 divided by 7 is 34. Now, if I've got 242 divided by 7, I'll follow the same process. So most of it is very similar. No 7s go into 2. That gets carried across. How many 7s go into 24? It's 3 again. What's my remainder this time, though? It would be 3. How many 7s go into 32? I'll count up again. Well, it's still 4. And what's my remainder? My remainder is 4. All right, so that's how we do it. Now, I've said it's your turn, and you can see here I've given you some problems to do with eggs. And I've said that eggs are boxed in 6s. Okay, so if you've got one box, I'll put B for box. How many eggs? 6 eggs, yeah? If you've got 2 boxes, you've got 12 eggs. Okay, 6 divided by 1 equals 6. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Okay. Now, you've got different quantities of eggs here. And what I'm asking you to do is tell me how many boxes I can fill. So you need to split, divide. Ooh, excuse me, sorry. That was dog hair, don't worry. It wasn't any virus. So you've got to divide the amount of eggs by how many you can put in a box. That's your big clue. Some of them I've said you got a remainder, some of them you haven't. All right. Last one is slightly different. Don't let me fool you. So again, pause the screen now. Take your time with your bus stop method. Press play when you want to go through the answers. All right, great stuff. So I'm going to make it a tiny bit smaller so you can see my workings out. So the first one was 138 eggs, which I needed to divide by 6. Okay, so how many 6s go into 1? None. 2, 3. So I could fill 23 boxes. Did I have any eggs left over? No. Okay, sorry about the squeaking. It's just Guido and his toy. So that was the answer to A. B was 268 divided by 6. So again, I'll do this nice and quickly without making any mistakes. It's hard when you're doing it quickly. 6. How many 6s go into 28? Again, it's 4, and my remainder is 4. So that's the answer to B. He wants me to play with his toy, love him, doesn't he? There's no one doing my maths. Right, C, 566, so a much larger number now, divided by 6 again. How many 5s can I take out of 6? None, but that 5 gets carried across. How many 6s are there in 56? It would be 9. 2 gets carried across. 4, remainder 2. So my answer there is I can fill 94 boxes with a remainder of 2. I've got 2 eggs left. And then D, the last one. All right, I've got 212 eggs. But now they're in boxes of 8. So I divide by 8, not 6. Hopefully I didn't trick you there. How many 8s go into 2? None. 2 gets carried across. How many 8s go into 21? 2. Remainder 5. How many 8s go into 52? 6. That would be 48, which means my remainder is 4. So there are your answers. 23, 44, remainder 4, 94 with 2 eggs left, and then the last one, 26 boxes. Sorry, 94 boxes with 2 eggs left, and D is 26 boxes with 4 left. Fingers crossed you've got 3 out of 4 or 4 out of 4. Don't worry, because we're going to go over this again tomorrow. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now. Maths is fun.